Emmanuel Afolabi.
Please, the Lord. My Lord, I'm online.
Yes. All right, Mr. Afolabi. Please tell this book court your name, what you do for a living, and where you live.
First of all, my Lord, let me apologize for my
Mr. Afolabi, just hold them. You'll be sworn on the defense.
Mike. Good day, Mr. Afolabi. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, madam.
Are you a Christian or a Muslim?
I'm a Christian.
You want to swear by the Holy Bible or you want to affirm? Are you with Bible there?
No, I'm not with the Bible. I'm in the office, so I don't have a copy of my Bible here.
So will you affirm?
I can affirm.
Okay. Your name and your raise up your hand and say your full name.
I, Emmanuel Afolabi,
Affirm
affirm
that the evidence I shall give in this case
that the evidence as I give in this case
shall be the truth,
shall be the truth,
the whole truth,
the whole truth,
nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
My Lord, your goodness is perfect.
Yes, sir. All right, witness. Please tell this honorable court.
Yes. Hello, Counsel, I can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you now.
All right, please tell this honorable court your name, what you do for a living, as the court pleases. Okay, please tell this honorable court your name.
Okay, my name is Emmanuel Afolabi.
Please, what do you do for a living? Witness, can you hear me? What is your occupation?
I am a legal practitioner.
Please tell this court your address.
My address is MTN Plaza, Falomo Roundabout, Lagos. Ikoyi, Lagos.
Yes. Do you remember making witness deposition on oath in this case?
I remember.
The said written deposition was filed on the 10th day of March, 2025. That is correct.
That is correct.
Do you adopt the said written deposition as your evidence in this case?
Yes, I do.
The witness statement on oath. Emmanuel filed on the 10th day of March 2025 is hereby adopted as evidence.
As the court pleases. Now, witness, you made reference to some documents in your written deposition.
Yes, I did.
If you see those documents, would you be able to identify them?
Yes, I will be able to identify them.
Yes.
Now, witness, one of the letters you referred to was a letter from the claimant solicitor to your office.
In paragraph where?
Particularly in paragraph 2, where the claimant complained. Is that correct? Is that correct?
That is correct. There was a letter from the office of the counsel to the claimant to our office, I think sometimes in 2020.
Yes.
Now, in response to that said letter, your company replied the claimant solicitor, which you have attached to your written statement on oath as exhibit EA3. If you see that document, you would be able to identify them. That is correct.
Yes, that is correct.
Incidentally documents are those documents are the tender. We only apply that we show to the witness so that we don't repeat.
All right. From the exhibit.
Under the circumstance we apply that exhibit C W1 E and exhibit EW1G be shown to the witness. Witness, can you identify that document on the screen?
So there are about 3 documents, but I can identify one with. So there was one with the logo of Lady Justice. I think that is a letter from the office of
Please
Mr. Doku.
exhibit what and what?
Witness CW1E.
CW1E.
Yes.
Yes.
And CW1G.
And CW1G. Yes.
Hello,
Look at the one on the screen. Please identify. That was the letter. That was the letter of complaint from the claimant's counsel.
That was the letter from the claimant counsel to us in 2020. Mr. Dokubo. Yes, if I'm not mistaken.
All right. Look at the second document.
What is the name of that exhibit? He identified.
Exhibit CW1E.
E.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now we just look at the second document.
Yeah. That was the letter I consigned with Aderonke Agbabiaka, which was a response to the letter from IS Doku Banko.
That's exhibit CW1G. Counsel.
Yes.
1G.
Yes, the letter from MTN, which is the witness's response to the claimant solicitor. That's okay.
Yes.
Now, witness, in paragraph 3 of your written position, you have told this court that as part of your investigation that you carried out, you exchanged mail from the first defendant. Is that correct?
Yes. So when we received the letter of complaint, we said, because I work in the legal department, we sent it to the appropriate unit for investigation, and they came back with the report that we communicated in our reply.
Yes.
Witness, look at the said email that was sent to you, whether you will be able to identify them, as well as the certificate of compliance prepared.
Okay. Yeah, I can identify the email that confirmed that there was a request. Yes, I can confirm the email.
And this?
And yeah, that is certificate of compliance.
Can you identify this?
Yes, I said that is the certificate of compliance.
All right.
Yes.
How long do we seek to tender the email sent from the first defendant to the witness, as well as attached with it is the certificate of compliance and evidence?
Is it the only document you want to tender?
Yes, yes.
Yes, defense counsel. Yes. Yes. Registrar, what was the last exhibit? CW1P. P. Okay. These emails, are they 201? The document, the emails, is this a single document? All right. Documents having been tendered without objection are hereby admitted in evidence and marked as follows. Email letter addressed to Oluseyi Fayemi is marked as Exhibit CW2A. Certificate of compliance is marked as Exhibit CW2B respectively. Register. Yes. Counsel. For examination in chief. First defendant for cross-examination.
As court pleases.
Yes.
Mr. Folabi, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Madam, may I proceed?
Yes, proceed.
As a court, I'm grateful. Sir, you're not a staff of the first defendant. You're not a staff.
No, I'm
of
not
the
a staff of first defendant.
employment.
Who is first defendant?
That is the West
Name-
African Container Terminal.
I'm not a staff of West African. I'm a staff of MTN Nigeria Communications PLC. So I'm not a
Thank
staff
you.
of the first.
This is the staff of MTN.
This is the volume. My own door closed.
Yes.
As such, you don't know the employees of the first defendant. You don't know who the employees of the first defendant are.
I don't know the employees or who the employees of the first defendant are, but when the first defendant requested for the number of the claimant to be included in the CUG, they sent a list of their employees, and Mr. George Will, if I'm not mistaken, that's the name, was included in the list.
Until when the claimant requested what?
So, my lord, I said,
Yes.
my lord, I said,
Yes.
the first defendant, when
Yes.
it requested that MTN should include some of his staff into his close user group, CUG, it's
Okay. Wait, I'm writing.
Okay, I'll copy this.
Until when the first defendant requested MTN
to
include
the names
yes,
of some of his staff.
MTN.
Some of his staff.
Yes.
In a CUG service. CUG means close user group.
Service. Yes.
The first defendant included the names of his staff, and the claimant is one of the names on the list.
Yes. Yes. Counsel.
So, Mr. Ofola, first defendant did not give you the employment letters of those persons whose names were allegedly sent to you.
Sorry, I didn't get the question.
The first defendant
Yes.
did not give you the employment letters of those persons whose names were allegedly sent to you on the registration.
I'm not aware of that requirement.
Did they give you appointment letters, sir?
You said?
Did they give you appointment letters? If they did, say no. If they did, say yes.
Like I said earlier, I work in the legal department, so I don't interface with the first defendant. I can't say that it is sent the letter of appointment of the staff.
The witness listen to the question. He said when they send you letters list to be included, did the defendant, is it first defendant? Did the first defendant accompany the list with their letters of employment?
No.
All right. Yes.
Mr. Ofola, you operate a corporate institution.
Sorry, I didn't get the question.
Your firm is a corporate entity, and so communications are formal.
Sorry, you can't say. I didn't get the question. I don't know whether it's network. You said that the M10 is what? Yeah, M10 is a corporate entity. Corporate entity, yes.
Communication between you and your clients are formal.
Okay, so my Lord, let me explain this so that that is what I'm trying. Sorry, can't say. Let me explain it. So, like I'm not hearing you. What I heard is what I want to respond to. I'm not
He
hearing.
Said communication. Communication is formal.
Yeah, communication.
Your organization being corporate entity, the communication between you and any other person is formal.
Yeah, and the communication was in form of an email. An email is means of communication. The email that I've tendered came from the first defendant. That's means of communication.
Yes.
Please confirm to the court that Exhibit C W2A, which you just tendered, the email which you are relying on. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
You can hear me?
Yes, go on.
Yes. The email Exhibit C W2A, which you are relying on, does not contain the name of any person whatsoever. There is no person's name contained on that email.
My Lord, the email is the printing. The email actually came Hello, cancel. The email actually came with a list in Excel format. The email came with a list in an Excel format. I have the list. I have the list here, and I can file a further affidavit to exhibit the list that was attached to that email, and the name of the claimant was there, Mr. George Will. His name was there. I can file a further affidavit to exhibit.
Yes.
Now, sir, you don't know who pays the salary and the pension of the claimant in this case. You don't know. Because you're not a staff of the first defendant.
No, I don't know. It is not my duty to know who pays. It is not my duty.
Yes.
But my lord, can I add something?
Yes, I'm coming.
Okay, my lord.
Yes, what do you want to add, witness?
Okay, I wanted to add that in the list attached to the email in question was a document with 39 names.
Yes.
And Mr. George Will was number 26 on the list with his number and the amount of his credit limit for every month, which was 1,500.
In the email sent to you?
Yes, was attached.
Attached. How many names? 20?
39, 39.
39 names.
Yes. And the claimant was number 26 on the list.
Yes. Was number 26 on the list.
On the list, my lord.
Yes. You mentioned salary.
So I said his limit is his credit limit for a month is 1,500.
His credit limit.
Yes. It was 1,500.
On a month. Was 1,500. Yes.
Yes, I just want to add.
Yes. Yes, proceed.
So you have no document before this honorable court.
Sorry, I didn't hear that.
That's no document before this honorable court showing that you conducted any investigation and you discovered that the claimant was a staff of the first, was an employee of the first. You have no document. So that's the effect.
Well, the documents that was sent by the first defendant was the email that I tendered and which had
is the email that is tendered.
Yes, that email came from Kuseme Monday Okpok to Oluwaseyi Fayemi on the 11th of June 2019.
So he said that email tendered. The email tendered. Yes? I want to capture him. The email tendered.
The
Yes?
email tendered.
Yes.
As an attachment with the names of the employees that were to benefit. And there were 39 in number.
Yes. Counsel.
Sir,
Counsel, I hope you know that this is a subpoena witness. Yes. No, I just draw your attention. I say I just draw your attention to the fact that, yes. Go on. I'm not saying you should not ask your question, you should not cross-examine him. I'm only saying he's a subpoena witness.
You didn't make your witness position before this honorable court happened.
You say what?
Your witness position, which I rely on, didn't make it before this honorable court happened.
No, I signed it in Lagos because I couldn't make it down to Portharcourt.
You filed it in Lagos.
I signed it in Lagos and sent it to a council in Portharcourt to help me file.
You signed it in Lagos and sent it.
Yes.
Yes.
You don't know the independent contractors that the first defendant deals with.
I don't know any independent contractor. I don't know. My relationship just responding to that letter. So that's all I know.
Yes.
Now, the closed user group is something that can also be used by other individuals.
Well, a closed user group is a service to enterprises, not to individuals. It's a service available to enterprises, not to individuals. Because somebody will have to take the responsibility of paying.
Yes.
Please confirm to the court again that you do not have the phone number of these claimants in that email you are relying on.
The number of the claimant is 0803.
No, you don't have the number on the email. No, you don't have the number on the email. That is what I'm telling you. It's not that you know the number.
The number, like I said, if you want me to read out the name of all the staff on the list, I can read them out. There was an attachment to that email that has 39 names.
So are you saying the phone number is on the attachment?
It's on the attachment. I want to read it out, my lord. It's on the
no,
attachment.
you are not asked to read out. He's just asking you about the email. The question is on the email.
Is on the attachment to the email. The
Okay.
phone number is there. Yes.
Yes, counsel.
Mr. Afolabi, I put it to you that your evidence before this court is false.
That would be your opinion, counsel, and I can't help it. If that's your
It's
opinion,
false.
counsel, if that is your opinion, I can't help it. But that is the truth, and I have documents to back it up. So if you have that opinion, I cannot argue with you about it.
You have shown yourself to be very interested. You have shown yourself to be very interested.
I don't know the claimant. I don't know the defendant. I don't know any of them. In fact, the only way I'm involved is in signing that letter. So I have no interest in the matter whatsoever. I have no interest. So if you believe that my position is false, that will be your opinion, counsel. But that is not the fact.
Yes. Yes, counsel. Okay. Yes. Before close.
The second defendant before close. Yes, because
He has not been there, but yes, but we will take that one in the next agenda. We will take this your submission on the next agenda. The counsel to the first defendant, you prepare for your defense on the next agenda.
Yes.
Yes. Agree on the date. Yes.
Subject to the court's convenience.
6, 7, and 8. How many witnesses do you intend to bring?
My Lord,
Okay.
we will break the indulgence of the court. Permit us to
So we'll only give you 2 days.
This evidence have to
as Lord, the 6 and 7 of May. We're grateful, my Lord.
This case is further adjourned to 6th and 7th day of May 2025 for cross-examination of CW2 by the second defendant and commencement of defense by the first defendant. Meanwhile, witness CW2 is hereby released to join us on the 6th day of May 2025 for cross-examination. Yes. You will join us on the 6th of May to conclude your evidence.
The court pleases.
Yes.
Thank you, my Lord. And my Lord, and my sincere apologies for my inability to make it down to Portharcourt. I didn't get the necessary approval from the business. Otherwise, I would have gone to be physically present in court.
Yeah, counsel has explained it to the court.
Yeah, as the court pleases. Thank you, man.
All right. Registrar, call the next case.